The universe has a sacred number for spiritual awakening, and it's 7. 7 is not just a random number. Its vibration is reflected everywhere in the design of reality. 7 chakras, 7 days of the week, 7 colors in the rainbow, 7 notes in music. Even your body renews itself in 7-year cycles. So if you've been feeling like you're stuck between the old you and the new you, it's because you're stepping into a 7 cycle, the number of inner growth, truth, and alignment. Tonight, write down 7 times, "I am aligned with my highest self." As you repeat it, imagine each chakra lighting up, tuning you to the frequency of 7. Save this and comment 777 to lock in the energy of divine alignment. And click the link in our bio for free access to Inner Tune to make this effortless.